In this video, I will be showing you how to use Perplexity AI to find specific pain points within a niche for your market research. Let's get started. I start by navigating to the search bar and typing a detailed prompt to identify the top frustrations small business owners face with AI automation. I'm specifically asking the AI to scan recent forum discussions to ensure the data is coming from real people sharing their actual experiences. Once I hit submit, Perplexity quickly analyzes the web and identifies 5 recurring frustrations. The results show that many AI tools fail to fit into messy, real-world workflows, often making integration feel much harder and more time-consuming than advertised. Furthermore, issues with reliability and a lack of clear ROI lead to significant trust issues as owners feel these tools sometimes add more work than they save. Now, I'll take it a step further by using the follow-up box to narrow my focus even more. I'm typing a query to uncover the emotional and physical pain points of remote software engineers dealing with digital burnout and home office setups. The AI generates a detailed breakdown revealing that engineers are struggling with a constant mental load and the blurring of boundaries between work and home life. On the physical side, the results highlight chronic neck and shoulder pain from poor ergonomics, along with persistent eye fatigue from long hours behind a screen. By using these specific insights, you can move past generic marketing and speak directly to the deep-seated problems your audience is trying to solve. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.